This is a video chart presentation of KULR Technology Group, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. KULR is an OTCQB listed company, trading under ticker KULR. I want to jump right into a couple things here. First and foremost, it's a 6-month chart. Notice back here early on in the year, KULR traded with huge intraday swings on very little volume. That all changed in June. Volume started picking up. Stock spiked, running as high as $3.70 a share, before a pullback, essentially to right where it started, at a support around 80 or 90 cents. A couple things are very important here. Not only holding that base and starting a new uptrend, but doing so on a much more steady volume, which is essentially the definition of liquidity, but has also helped to wipe out some of the volatility in the stock trading every day. We go ahead and just mark this support right there at 80 cents, another at 90 cents. And the fact the stock has come through, made a new higher low. It appears to make another higher low. As it trades, it holds over both its 50-day and its 200-day moving averages, which is the type of thing that technical traders look for to define bullishness in a stock, as KULR has also made a new higher high at $1.36, and most recently at $1.88. So ultimately, what a technician will be looking for here is for an upward channel to be established by making a move off this $1.50 level to turn, continue the trend upward, break through the $1.88 resistance, and make a new high, most likely at a minimum of this resistance level of $2.14, going back to the summer. And from there you can see it's very thin as far as resistance goes, because the move was so sharp upward and quickly back down in June. Point being that at this moment, there's not a lot in the line of resistance between the jump from the low $2 level all the way up to the high of $3.70. Well, now certainly any shareholder would like to see that sort of jump again. Our analysis typically starts with the baby steps, and that's noticing this dragonfly doji that was formed on Wednesday, where KULR opened at $1.59, took on some selling pressure to drop to a low of $1.42. That attracted some buyers, pulled the stock right back up, and it closed right where it started. In candlestick charting, the dragonfly doji is interpreted as trading action that can signal a potential reversal in the direction of the stock. And in this case, the pullback from the $1.88 high, the dragonfly doji would say, look out in the coming days for potential upward pressure. Now in parallel with that, there is some more support in this area of $1.36, up to around $1.40, $1.42. Typically we refer to support and resistance as areas, not absolute definitive points in most cases. So we'll call this whole general area one of support, which further lends to the idea to pay attention to this dragonfly doji to see what the stock does going forward. Because the fact remains that from a purely technical standpoint, if KULR can kick it in gear and break through that resistance at $1.88, even to move this level up around $2.14 to make the next higher high is a solid gain of around 35%. So for a chart that's really just got going here in the last 3 months or so, there's quite a few things going on with KULR as a company to keep an eye on as the fourth quarter gets underway.